Remember, this house was full of stuff. It's gonna cost a lot of money. The inspector will get you. Progress is coming along. It looks a little different. I'm gonna start from the inside and I'll let you know what we do, and I'll let you know where we at. Right now, we removed everything out the house. You know, remember, this house was full of stuff just everywhere. We're gonna remove this wall. This is all gonna be open. So we're gonna remove that wall, put an LVL there. We're gonna lose about 5 feet here because this is gonna be a second bathroom. It's currently a 3-1. We're gonna make this a 3-2. It should sell fast though, but it's gonna cost a lot of money. Every bit of that 60 is about to get swallowed. Let's walk through the house. What you have in here, they're repairing the crawl space. Make sure all the flooring is flat. There's no crawl space opening, but when they're done, we'll have a crawl space opening. We're going with standard Lowe's and Home Depot windows. If you remember before, this house did not have standard windows. This is R30. This is basically the insulation for under the house. You gotta do that, because if you don't, the inspector will get you. So here's the bathroom, and the toilet was sunk in the floor. The whole flooring was bad, so this is what you have now, and we're gonna seal this off because it's gonna be a master. And if you go up, those are some really big roaches. So we have to get an exterminator in here. So this is gonna be the master. It's not the biggest master. I know we gotta use the existing size, but we're gonna make a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We're actually gonna bring this out, and this closet is gonna come to right here. So I have a bigger closet. We're gonna create a door so they can get to that bathroom, so they will have access to that. So, you know, we gotta make it work. Again, not the biggest room, but we're gonna make it do what it do. All that flooring was, you know, going. If you look it up, you see that we did do the roof. That's a brand new roof on there. Redoing the windows, got rid of all of those trees, man. So progress is coming along. Those guys you see inside, just to re-clarify, they're not gonna finish out the house. They're the framers. So they're framing out the house. I gotta bring in the HVAC guy. I gotta bring in the plumber. I gotta bring the electrician, because remember, we're adding the bathroom. So that's what we have here on this flip, man. You know, if you haven't seen when I first got it, I'm gonna put that video next to me, man. So make sure you check that one out, man. And as usual, man, I'm Nasser, AKA the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru, because I actually do this business. Peace.